Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix lag on Nintendo Switch. If you are using lower lag on a Nintendo Switch and dealing with lag, freezing or delayed control, don't worry. If you have a USB Ethernet adapter, use it. Wired connection is much more stable than Wi-Fi and reduce lag as lot on Switch. If you are on Wi-Fi, click closer to the router and avoid weak signals. You can also unplug your modem and router for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This refreshes your connection. And make sure you switch into downloading update and other devices on your network are run using heavy internet. On Switch, keep graphing simple help performance and reduce lag. If lag still happens, the issue may be on your internet provider or Rocket League server. In that case, playing at off-peak time usually helps. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.